Wondering how to price your fabulous feet pics in 2025? Stick around as we step through the perfect pricing playbook on FeetFinder. Hey there, savvy sellers. Today we're diving into the dollars and cents of selling feet pics in 2025. From newbies to seasoned sellers, we're unpacking everything you need to know to price your pics perfectly on FeetFinder. Whether you're starting a side hustle or turning those tootsies into a full-time fortune, you're in the right place. Understanding the market. First up, let's understand the feet pic market. With millions of enthusiasts browsing FeetFinder monthly, the demand is high. But knowing your audience, whether they're casual admirers or serious collectors, is key to setting the right price. Setting your rates. Now, let's dive into the numbers. As a newcomer, it's wise to attract buyers with accessible pricing. Think about starting with $8 for a basic set of high-quality, classy pics. This initial pricing helps you break into the market and start building your customer base. As your reputation on FeetFinder enhances and you gain positive reviews, it's time to evaluate your pricing strategy. Consider increasing your rates to $15 or even higher per picture. The price elevation should reflect the uniqueness, artistic flair, and quality of your feet pics. Are you using themed setups or props? Have you invested in professional photography? These factors can justify the higher rates. Remember, your goal is to create a loyal following while also ensuring your work is adequately valued. Balancing affordability for new buyers with premium options for collectors can maximize both your reach and revenue on FeetFinder. Maximizing sales through smart engagement. To succeed on FeetFinder, you can't just post content. You need to engage actively with your audience. Here's how to optimize your interactions and sales strategies. Start by understanding the various interests within the foot lover community, such as fandom, giantess themes, or playful categories like shoe dangling. This knowledge lets you cater directly to buyers' preferences, enhancing your chances of sales. Personalize your approach based on buyers' bios. Send a teaser image that aligns with their likes, making the first picture in your set clear and compelling to attract attention. Price your sets effectively, generally between $8 and $15 depending on content specificity. Use promotional boosts during peak times like weekends or paydays to maximize your visibility. Engage actively with those who visit your profile. A simple message like what you saw, follow for more, can help convert interest into sales. Watch out for new accounts with no reviews. They might be scammers or genuine new users. Persistence is key. Regular engagement, updating your content, adapting to feedback helps build a loyal customer base. Don't look for quick fixes. Successful selling takes time and consistent effort. Utilizing FeetFinder's features. Leverage FeetFinder's tools to your advantage. Use their content calendar to plan and schedule your posts, ensuring you're always top of mind for your buyers. Consistency paired with quality drives sales and helps justify premium pricing. Wrapping up, knowing how much to charge for your feet pics in 2025 comes down to understanding your market, valuing your work, and using the right tools to streamline your sales. FeetFinder is here every step of the way, making sure your feet pics find the perfect audience. Subscribe for more insider tips. Don't forget to visit our channel for more feet-related content. Thanks for watching and keep stepping up your game.